Christmas party and it was frozen. That's why I put to my microwave before the stream. And then I cooked the meat.
やっべ。
I didn't think it's already cooked. I just tried the more, like, it was really sticky, so I was trying to be more soft. And then it's already cooked. I can't do them. Yakiniku party for the stream now. Why? So, this is my Christmas party. Okay. Look at this. It's really hard. And it looks like a dog at this point. I'm really scared. And I just straight to put my fridge now.